Okay, today welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm going to show you my Playmobil school set. So, Susie wants to go to school, and she has a backpack with her. Oopsies, ow. I better walk up the stairs. Here's my classroom. And we also do have him. He has his backpack and he's going to school like that. Ooh, I want to go up the stairs. Ow. Oops, he's the pencil. Okay. Now he's at school. And Shelly wants to go to school. Hi. And she needs her backpack right here. Like this. She's ow. Ow, get me up. Ow, get me up. Why do we off right there? And Tegan's going to school too. Tegan. His name is Tegan, and he's going to school too. That's Tegan. Ooh, ow. Okay. And now they all want to get in their classroom chairs. I know, Mom. So they take their backpacks off. They just pile them up somewhere. Like that. And now they're ready. Oh, ow. Sit down in their desk. Tegan's reading his book. And Shelly is looking at the computer. And Marlene. And her friend, Susie. She's doing her work with the telescope. And Bob, he's just working right here. Oopsies, I gotta go pee. Whee! Ow. Goodbye. Let me go back up the stairs. I'm sorry, teacher. I'm just rushing. And the teacher has her work bag with her. Oops. And the teacher needs to be in her seat. And there's her work bag. And they're learning about people's body. And they have little rings here. And we also have the recess bell. And we ring. Recess! Recess! Yay! I love recess! Go outside, class. I have to work. Our table fell over. Yay! Recess! Play, play! Play, play! Play, play! Let me better fix the desk. Can I come in? And they come back up after recess. And Shelly still has to do some work on the computer. And Bobby, he has to do some work. And the telescope. And Susie is doing some work with her telescope. right here. And Tegan. That Venus hook and the coffee room. And this dance teacher, and she's teaching gym, and she just has to have a coffee break. So she's sitting in her chair, just like this. And then she goes over there, and then she's enjoying her coffee, looking at the computer, and there's another classroom up here, and he has to look after the kids' backpacks, and then he has that class, and he learns way more. He learns about animals instead of people. Okay, now thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures, and thank you for seeing my Playmobil school set. Have fun. Goodbye.